This is going to be part 2 of my candy bar envelope invention. I do want to say the date on this video, just in case when I upload it to YouTube it's not the correct date. Today is 12/6, that's December 6, 2010, and the time is, let me take a quick look, the time is 8:41. Oops, just turned 8:42, and that's at night time. And I'm in Buffalo, New York, and my name is Keith Sylvester. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I came up with some inventions before and I didn't have the money, and the next thing I know is other people had invented it and they making money. And I know people are gonna think I'm crazy when I say this, but you know how police officers are riding around now and they got like laptops in their car where they could pull up people's criminal history, or do different stuff, go on the internet or whatever they be doing. I swear, I'm not lying, I was the first person that ever did that, or the first person that I've known about to do that. I lived in Atlanta, Georgia in 1992 to 1990, well, to about 2000. But anyway, in the early 90s, like 91 or 92 to 93 actually, I had a red Volkswagen Jetta, and I had a laptop that I had mounted in my car. I paid a lot of money for it. I had the cables ran under the seat, and I had a fax machine and a printer in my car, and I was a college student. And at that time, police officers didn't have computers in their car. Check the facts, look back. Now they have them in New York State. They didn't have them in New York State back then. They have them in Georgia. They have them in just about every state now. But I swear I was like the first person to do that. And I was pulled over by the police many times. And I swear I think somebody told somebody my idea, but I was so young at the time I didn't make no money. But anyway, back to this Hershey's envelope thing. I'm on the second part. What I did is I've cut open 2 of the candy bars, and I just have the outer wrapper. And so I'm going to fit them to size by placing them on top of each other. And the reason I'm doing it like this is because I opened up a regular envelope, which is, you can see right here. I opened up a regular envelope, and this is what it looks like when it's opened up. It's kind of like a diamond shaped thing. I mean, maybe you can see it if it's on this black folder. But it's kind of like a diamond shaped thing when you open up an envelope. And I felt that I would waste too many candy bar wrappers. So for this simple test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 candy bar wrappers on top of each other to fit it to the size of an envelope, and then I'm going to cut off the pieces I need in order to make my envelope. So right now I'm going to try to fit this. So let's see, hers. Let's see, that's a little bit bigger than the size of an envelope. I was really trying to make the words like, really kind of like correspond, but it looks like I'm going to have to push that in just a little bit more. And this is video number 2. I'll have the finished product in video number 3 with my Hershey's envelopes.